The amount of energy you need to fulfill your life dreams is massive. But you are capable of doing that. You have the capability and all the necessary information to push yourself the next level. You just need to remove all the negativity that is available in your life, the negativity that you have inherited from your family, from your society, from your negative friends, and you have to remove any childhood trauma. By doing this, you will be able to regain your energies, your mental energy, your emotional energy, your physical energy, and your spiritual energy. By putting all these energies into place, you will have a strength where your energy will master your time, and time will have no value once you know what you love to do and you drag yourself into that fully without any hesitation. And you can do that, trust me. It just requires a lot of attention and getting yourself back on track to focus on what really matters in your life. And you can do that easily.